Model, 2019 Ford Transit Connect Limited 200L1 1.5120 PS Stage 6 Power Automatic Head Gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 75,917. MOT, the 14th of August 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6H. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, there is oil contaminated with the coolant. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.